Hello, it's Tim at Howard's in Dorchester, and going to give you a closer look at this 3008. Really be your eyes on this car. It is an ex-management car from Peugeot, hence the low mileage, in Bianca white. I had a good look around the car. It's very tidy. There's only one mark that I'm going to show you that's on there. But prior to that, I'm just going to confirm that all the alloys are uncurbed. The wing mirrors are all clean and tidy. They're typically areas that get knocked and marked. But generally a very, very nice car, as you'd expect for the mileage that's on her. Yeah, it's all tidy. The only mark that I found in here, I don't even know if you're going to be able to see it on the camera, it is very, very shy and faint. You might just be able to see the tiny little mark just there that could be touched in, but otherwise just a few little scratches under there, very, very faint, which is actually a benefit with white cars. They're actually quite easy to sort of repair in that kind of sense for little marks, but otherwise I can't find anything else on her at all. I'll show you the other two alloys for you, just so you can see that everything is neat and tidy. Typically you'd get curbed alloys on any car really. It's so easy to do now, these diamond cut alloys. Show the mirror for you. And the other alloy. Even the bonnet, can't find a single chip on there. Typically they're down the edges for glancing stones. And the lip on that corner. So no, yeah, very tidy. I'll show you a little bit more inside. Okay, so inside the car, again, as you'd expect, all very neat and tidy. The seats barely look like they've ever been sat on. It's got the TomTom traffic navigation activated also. Again in the front seat. So no cigarette burns, no stains. And there. And then the rear seats. The story is exactly the same. No cigarette burns, no marks. So there you go, a really tidy car. That mark on the rear quarter we would look at, we'd get a machine polish on there, and I reckon 90% of that would disappear. Without being shown where it was, you wouldn't even know it existed. But of course it's your decision, your choice. I'll catch up with you shortly and just see what your thoughts are. Thanks.